King of the Hill. You ever seen this show? This show's really something. Now, I was looking at this the other day, and what I didn't think about it so deeply before, and I realized these characters, they don't make a whole lot of sense unless you look at them under the strangest. Look at this name. Try P. Right? Try P. Right? Do you see this? You see his name? Okay. Now, here's there. There we go. You see his name? Okay. Right? They're not even the same. They're not even the same. Even this one. Right? This is not the same. You would not believe how different these are. Okay. Soup Hanus in phone. Can soup Han us in phone. Phone in Swana Hospus Neck. I don't know. Look. Right here. Right? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Is this right? I thought she died. Didn't she die? I swear she died. Anyways, my guy. Look, if this is what I see, right? And this is try P, right? Okay. This one's just J. Am I right? Right? Is this one X? Right? Okay. But here's what's wrong with it. Here's what's wrong with it. That's not how that's spelled. That is not how that's spelled. That word. That's not a proper name word. Don't you understand what that is? That's the Gonafetiki word for stones. And it's Hooureure. And then Aurora O. I don't know if they decided to add the 3 there or what. But when you do it this way, it says Hela cool kawalali the massacre kawanitas. That's the guy. Don't you know who the guy is? That's literally the fucking guy. Okay, this one here, right? You see how the one name is in quotations, right? And that's what they see him as, right? This is the same thing basically, but there's nothing in quotations, right? Okay, but in quotations, right, we see P, correct? Okay, so when I look at this one, it's the future de Romana. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? I do. It's on a docket list. It's on one docket list. And it's L. Docket list L 0793. It's right there. That's who. That's who. And this is the guy. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy.